to wait like 1 minute. We have okay to some of the handles. We can actually see some of other people's personality from the hands. That's kind of. You can skip 1 minute. You can skip 1 minute as usual. Handles is you are all great. We like you so much. You're great. Okay. Some of the nail paintings. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, anyway, we like you so much and hold on a second. Also some of the meetings too. Like a closed group a little bit here. We all like you. I like you so much. Hold on a second. Some of the song part. You can skip some of the song part. Hold on. Okay, you can wait 1 minute. We like you a lot again. I'm such a good time, yeah. I had it in the ocean, baby. In the ocean, baby. Such a fun time, yeah. You had it all the time. By swimming there in that pool. They say that things about the life coach. I can be a life coach. We all can be a good life coach. Kind and nice ones. Right, those were the other segment. Thanks being here. Oh my gosh, yeah, but this is other segment, yeah. I totally understand. When we share some of our deeply with domestic violence, even it's not like too serious of the adulthood, as like a marriage time, as a being adult. Maybe it's not too serious compared to the innocent childhood time as a parent and a child. It's different. But yeah, so anyway, long story short, yeah. So maybe it's because of Jesus, because of the trying to serve the God, it didn't hurt immediately, changed soon, so it didn't hurt. It went to the good way. But if we share some of the deeply shares, even some of the childhood, I understand. Other people, because they have their own issue to take care of, just own their lives to things to do. So it's hard to them to, if we share some of the story. Yeah, some of the things if we share or if I share. So I understand, don't worry, but thank you for telling like I love you. Because I love you too. And they're all like so good friends. So thank you, and I totally understand. Other people, some of my other acquaintances and friends, they said, it's hard to them to those similar situation to when they hear those story. But some of the meetings, it's okay, we can share, but it's hard to them to it's none of their business or something like that. It's not like that, but yeah, they can't deal with because it's gonna make them cry, and that's not okay for them. It makes them unhappy. That's I don't want to do that either. So I can totally understand their feelings, their side of the story. But it doesn't mean them that. So thank you for your care, because I felt that I felt your care too. You cared and that's also all that mattered. So you really don't have to care some of the TV story, because it's not like that too bad, because I had other people at that time anyways. At that time when I needed, I was not alone. Like my childhood, I was not alone. My childhood, I was alone in some point, so that was hard more. But at that time, as an adult, I knew what's the right people to talk to, and that helped me. And I had Jesus, like believing to the God, as always it has been. So that's why. So don't worry, it didn't hurt like some other people or something like that. So please don't worry, but your care, I had that, and I love you too. Thank you for telling your words the other day to like love you. Yeah, you said that to me too. Good friendship, love, because of you. Yeah, thank you. You are an amazing person. You're wonderful. It's like a terrific person. I mean, great. So yeah, those are some other just some shares about that. Some of the neighborhood shares. Anyway, we love you. You're a great person. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks. Oh no, now it's somebody talked about marriage. No, on the podcast, everything coming up with the Simpsons. They're one of the Ferrero audio. Their face is not there. It's just like Simpsons faces on that podcast. After I subscribe it, okay, some of that, and they posted it like a success secret of the successful marriage, something like that. Successful the marriage, right? Talking about divorce and marriage, I brought up that subject before of that Ferrero audios. The director, Christine Myers. Yeah, she followed me too, and I followed her too. So I listened her wave from the Anchor. Anchor is some of the small community apps. The apps is small organizations apps. It's interesting too. There are so many good people, but other people who are participants, they are kind of different people too. But yeah, so anyways, after I talked some of the subject on Anchor, every time, even the podcast, crazy things going on, some of the weird coincidences. For example, if I say right, and the podcast also says right, after I announced about that podcast in that Anchor apps, our organization there, and I had several like 30 or 40 followers on there too. The old version, they get the new version. The people who organized those like Maya, those like other people on there, they're good. I like them. I don't know them all the detail, probably. It's just sometimes it's just like a radio, but sometimes not. It's in one person and each other person's communication, a community, or organization. Those are the team, they unite. And so, talking about that coincidence, it seemed like it was a little weird, but they are good people. I don't know all the detail. I never met them like my co-workers on the face-to-face every day. On the co-workers, we have a good communication. We usually have a good fun time and good communication times. Of course, not always same, probably. But yeah, talking about those marriage of success, it's really wrong way of the term of the use, the language, the word. Because why they brought up that subject, successful and marriage? I don't know, it could be a right word to say marriage is a successful or not. Well, they said that, so that's why I said that. Some of the podcasts that the Simpsons, the Fair Audience, the podcast, the organization, those like, is that Lisa? No, Lisa, not that, the other. They said that, so it could be a wrong word to use because there is no term of successful marriage or not. Maybe it can be a wrong word to say that. The things they said. I think those two women wrote on that title because I have lots of friends who divorced, but they are successful and nice people. It doesn't determine their personality or life success. Marriage is a whole different world. Oh, but in the countryside, a little bit countryside, not really countryside, but a good area over there. Those like Kansas area, the Ohio, like Kansas area, Texas area, Oklahoma area, those areas. It's like a different country. It's a different culture there. I know some people, good friends there. Their marriage is very different. Really nice. Like a best friends. Like they love forever. Many of them are, and I know that. I think it was sweet. I love them it's really different than the big cities, crowded areas, marriage couples. But in that state, it's around the Route 66 area. Like a cowboy nation. I like them. I love their marriage. It's so sweet. It's good, and I know them since we are teenager, 18 years old, 19 years old, 20 years old, a college kids time too. We know that. I know them. Some of them, many of them since then too, and so that I can say they are one of the best people that I know. And many of their marriages, and even some of the older couples and ministry couples, I know they have the best marriage. Okay, it's not about the successful, it's about best marriage. They have. And I see that every time, and it makes my heart melt. They are the best. I just like them. I like them so much. They are one of the best mentor. Inside and outside, the looks is also so beautiful too. They are beautiful. They are so beautiful. They are beautiful. I love them so much. Right. Okay, so there's another subject. I lived in a different country, so it's also changed me in a good way. Yeah, it is a good way. People learn different culture. People learn different language. I did. Many people also have lived in a different country too, so that's also wonderful. And so being lived in a different country is also benefit. Yeah, it is benefit. It's wonderful. You can learn many things and get more experience. It is good, and if you enjoy it, yeah, you are
with